Guys, I wanted to show you these Bluetooth earbuds that I received from the company. I get sent a ton of these. I also own a bunch of these, and these feel really nice. They fit in my ear great. They do have the different pieces to adjust. The sound quality is excellent. It has in the manual here all the different directions of like what to press if you receive a phone call or if you want to skip a song, which I like because sometimes I don't know exactly what to do for the different ones. So it just comes right on here so you know exactly what to press. It feels like a really nice high quality plastic here, as well as like very bendable and pliable for around your ear. So again, it's something that I feel like I could wear for a very long time without it being uncomfortable. This can go in my ear very nicely. The case, you charge the earbuds in the case. It comes with the cord, the C cord, as well as the different pieces to adjust the earpiece just in case the size isn't perfect. Fits really nicely, easy to put into your pocket, into your bag, and carry along. Definitely happy with these. I would give them a try if you're looking for a new pair of earbuds.